This training is going to cover the employee bio list page type. This page type basically lists multiple people, it could be from the same department, however you want to list them, and it shows their photo, their title, and photo name, title, and contact information. As you can see, you're going to want to keep the image size consistent so everything continues to line up and looks nice. When we go to the edit screen for this, this is going to be closely related to your employee bio page. Again, the top of it is similar to just about any other page with the inline metadata. For this case, we're just going to ignore that because it's the same. First thing you're going to notice is there is a different option at the very top here called list type, automated and manual. Automated is going to automatically pull in your employee bio list based off the department you select. So if I select art and art history, any individual bio pages that were created that have set the person as part of art and art history will display. I can then go in and order those either alphabetically or by priority order. Alphabetical by last name, priority order is going to use the priority order that you set on the individual page. There's a pull down on those employee bio pages, one being the most important on priority order, and the larger the number, the lower the priority. You can also do manual. With manual, you're going to get the options to actually fill in each person. Before we do that, we can add content that goes above either automated or manual. And this is just a copy that's going to go above it. When we get down, very similar to your bio page, you have a photo, you have their name, you have their title, what department they're in, what building, office phone, and email address. You also have the option to select a link to link this bio to. In this case, if you're listing it manually, you're probably not going to have a link because if you're going to link to something using automated would make more sense because that's automatically going to link to those bio pages that it is pulling in. Also below our boxes, we have the option to add more copies. So this is just copy that goes below the individual bios. Now, if I scroll back up, you can actually select to do both at the same time. This will allow you to automatically pull in a list. So in this case, I would auto pull in the art and art history list. I'm going to alphabetize it. And I'm also going to set manual, and I have a person in here. So when I actually submit this page, you're going to see a little bit of copy, my list of people from the art department, then the bio or the contact info for Kelly Bartling, and then another group of information or text, some text at the bottom. So I hit submit. We're going to run through this. They had no problems. And we look at this. Here you can see here's the fine arts department, and then Kelly's photo. Now here's exactly what I said, making sure photos for your department are the same size. Obviously this doesn't look very good when one photo is larger than the other if things don't line up. So when you're pulling in, make sure that all the photos, people in the departments, their photos are the same size. If you have stuff set to automated, you don't really have to update this page. You can update the bios for the people, for the individual people, and it will update on this page. The only thing you'll have to do is go in and publish this page after you make changes to individual bios. Now, if you manually add people to this, you will have to go in and update those people manually if you need to make changes to their information.